Hello guys, today we are going to continue our Django series. So this video we are covering Django Models, which is a very important topic in Python Django framework. So I am in this YouTube folder. So you guys have a YouTube folder in your desktop because we created it in previous tutorial. So we have this word here, our virtual environment. Please right click on here and select git bash here. Now I'm going to type source word scripts activate. To activate my virtual environment, please do the same. Now I'm going to change my directory to my site, cd my site. Now I'm in this directory, my site. I'm going to clear the screen and I'm going to open up my Visual Studio Code. So guys, this is where we left off the previous tutorial. We just created a to-do HTML. This is a basic HTML page. We render it out in previous tutorial. If you guys didn't watch that, please watch my previous tutorial. We are created a Django project and our to-do app inside of our virtual environment. So now I'm going to run my development server, Python manage.py run server. Hit enter. I'm going to open up my Firefox browser, localhost 8000. So our page is rendering correctly. Now I'm going to show you very interesting thing. If you type / and hit admin and press enter, this will open up a login interface. You can see this is the user interface for admin to log into our admin dashboard. So if we type a username, for example admin, and password testing321 and hit enter, it says no such table, auth user. So this error means we didn't push our migrations yet and we didn't create our super user yet. So that's why we see this error. We are going to fix this now. So to fix this error, I'm going to open up my git bash terminal. I'm going to break my development server by hitting Ctrl+C on the keyboard and clear the screen. Please follow along with me. I'm going to type Python. Before executing this command, make sure we all in this directory. Manage.py file is over here. Clear the screen. Python manage.py migrate. Hit enter. So we successfully migrate our database. Django already comes with some database migrations to create such table as user table. So now we push that migration to our database. So I'm going to clear the screen. And now we are going to create our super user. To create super user, please execute this command: Python manage.py create super user. Okay, hit enter. So it will ask me a username. You can give whatever you want, but I'm going to give username as admin. You can give admin as well. I'm going to hit enter. It asking me for email address. Now you can pass whatever you like. I'm going to pass admin company at admin.com and password. Give the password. I'm going to give testing 321 testing 321. So you can see super user is successfully created. Now I'm going to run our server, development server, python manage.py run server. So I'm going to this URL and admin testing 321. Now you can see we successfully log into our admin dashboard. So this is a Django admin dashboard. Let's open this in Chrome browser. You can see this is our Django admin dashboard. So in our Firefox browser, something went wrong. Our user interface is not rendered correctly for some reason. So this is how you're gonna look your admin dashboard. So there is this user section. I'm going to click it. You can see our username and email address over here. Okay, now I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to close my Firefox browser and I minimize this git bash terminal. Now we are going to create Django models. To create Django models, I'm going to this to do directory. In here we can find this models.py file. I'm going to double click it, and here I'm going to define to do class to create objects. I'm going to type class. I'm going to name this as to do. Here we have to pass this models dot model. I'm going to type to do models dot car field. We can give max length. I'm going to give 255, and we are also going to create date created, and models dot date time field. I'm going to pass default so this is a function so we still not created this yet we are going to create this to get the current date time. We are creating this for to get the current date time when user is create this to do task. I'm going to create a command to get the current time. Define current time is this function. Return date we should import this. To import this we can type from date time import date time. So that's it guys. Also we can create our dunder method. This is what called dunder method, dunder string method, str, and we pass in self return self dot to do. Okay guys, this is how you can create Django models in Python Django framework. So this is the to do, this is the task, and we are getting this also the date, the current date time that the task was created. So I think these fields are needed to this to do application. So in Python Django framework you can create many data such as text field, car field, date time field, image field, boolean, and many more. So we don't need complex data model for this application. So if you able to do this, you can create whatever you want later. I'm going to save this file. Okay guys, now I'm going to migrate this. To do that, I'm going to open up my git bash terminal. I'm going to break this server and I'm going to clear the screen. In here I'm typing python manage.py make migrations. So do the same with me and hit enter. So our to do model is created. So now I'm show you something. Please go to this to do app directory and migrations and click this 0001 initial.py. Open it up. Now you can see this is what we created in our models.py file, but after executing our command python manage.py make migrations command, it Python Django framework already automatically creating this file for us in to do app directory migrations in here 001 initial.py file. So carefully watch this, guys. It created for us this to do and date created. This is the name which we exactly created in models.py file. So Django framework automatically creating this ID for us. So now we have to do is, guys, we have to push this commands to our database. We are using this SQLite3 database for this project. So to push this migrations to our MySQL SQLite database, we can use this command python manage.py migrate command. Remember, we already execute this command for our to set up our Django admin interface. So I'm going to hit enter. Okay. Now we can go to our interface and we forgot to run our server, so I'm going to run our server again. Python manage.py run server. Hit enter. I'm going to minimize it and I'm going to hit refresh. So in here now we can't see our to do app table. That's happened because we didn't register it in our admin.py file. So whenever we created this Django model, we have to register that Django model in our admin.py file, which is under this directory. To do app directory admin.py file, we have to open it, and here we have to import our models from dot models import to do. Now I'm going to register that model admin dot site dot register and the name of our model to do, and hit save. Control S to save our file, and I'm going to our website and refresh. Now you can see this to do table. Now I'm going to open up that. So we successfully created our model, and now we can create task by clicking this plus button. Now I'm going to type I have to practice guitar, and I'm going to save this. Now you can see this is here, and we can also update this one. And hit save. So it's updated. We can also delete this by clicking this delete button. Yes, I'm sure. Now you can see all CRUD operations now accessible through our Django admin interface. So now we have to create this CRUD operations in our website. For in normally we don't log into this Django admin area. We want to add task in normal website. I mean here we have to create this task and edit them, and after we finish the task we have to delete it. Okay, we are going to do this in next tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I notice many my viewers not subscribe to my channel. If you like this kind of tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So thanks again. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you want me to cover any particular project, feel free to tell it on comment section. So thanks again.